Just got the Z400 back from the shop. She ready. You see it. You see this 4-wheeler. You see definitely your 400 EX to see depth, nigga. Got that HMF, not that slip-on shit. Full pipe. I got a full pipe on that bitch. Blowing niggas out of the water. West Coast. Damn, I said West Coast. J400 kit on that bitch made the look stock to burn niggas down. That stroker crankshaft in that bitch, complete rebuild of the motor. Everything. Timing chain, pistons, crankshaft, hot cams. Made to look plain to burn niggas down. You see it? Got them 18 by 10 by 8s hole shots on there. And I had to put that on there for my baby, for my daughter. Dora. Y'all niggas get smoked and all you see is Dora. We will get a fire up in the morning. I would fire it up now, but it's about 3 o'clock. I just got off work. Morning time, we're going to get the first crank after complete rebuild. Holla at your boy. Tell me what you think about this 4-wheeler. And if you anywhere near Ottawa, Tennessee, and ride Hunter Road Power Line, meet me out there. Saturday. July one of them damn days. It's July 09, Saturday. This Saturday.